Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify the following. And the very first thing I see is that I saw this. Minus 3 bracket x minus 1. This means that we will need to expand and simplify. So negative 3 times x will be negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3. And after that, we just need to simplify the terms. 2x minus 3x, negative x. Not forgetting the positive 3. And this will be the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are required to simplify this. The very first thing I see is that I see a bracket. I am going to put a square bracket out. And we are going to expand and simplify this. First, this will give me 3x squared. X times 7 will be positive 7x. We still have the negative 1 times 3x, negative 3x. Negative 1 times 7, negative 7. And then, we will then continue to expand this bracket. So, we are going to continue to simplify the bracket inside. And what do we have? We have 3x squared. We also have 7x minus 3x, positive 4x. We also have negative 7. Alright, next we are going to expand and simplify the bracket. This is positive 1. So therefore, I will get this 1 times 4, positive 4x, negative 7, and finally, we are going to simplify it. 3x plus 3x square, 6x square, plus 4x, minus 7. And we have come to the end of this question. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are then required to expand and simplify this. So I am going to make use of my formula. Of course, you can use other method to solve it manually, but Mr. Tan here likes to do this. I saw my A and I saw my B. And all I have to do later on is to substitute in this formula neatly. So my A will be x. My B will be the whole 3y. And so you will see Mr. Tan writing x squared minus 2 times my x times my 3y plus my 3y bracket square. And therefore, this one the final answer. X squared 2 times 3 is 6. Still got my xy. 3 times 3 is 9. Y times y is y squared. And we are done. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And so Mr. Tan going to make use of his cross chart to help me with it. Notice how Mr. Tan will position his terms in the cross chart. Negative 5x, negative 5x. So x times x will be equals to x squared. Well, as for 6, it can be 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. I must make sure that I must choose a pair that will also give me my negative 5. So Mr. Tan think about it carefully. Mr. Tan realized that if I have negative 2 and negative 3, this will give me negative 3x. This will give me negative 2x. Negative 2, negative 3 will indeed give me negative 5, and negative 2 times negative 3, yep, it will give me positive 6. And so I would get my factorized form. So for this, the answer would be x and negative 2, x and negative 3. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. And I saw that my y square term is placed at the end. I am going to rearrange them so that my negative y square is in front. My positive 5y is in the middle, and my negative 6 is behind. And then, this is something Mr. Tang will do. I am going to take out negative 1 as a common factor, and I'm left with y squared minus 5y plus 6. Okay? And then I am going to just factorize my bracket inside. Okay? And so for this question, I'm going to make use of my cross chart. Y times y will be y squared. And because I saw a negative 5, I'm going to use negative 2 times negative 3 to give me positive 6. And they do give me back my negative 5. And so final answer will be, I still have my negative, but it will be y and negative 2, y and negative 3. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following. I see 4 terms, so I'm going to look at these 2 terms. And I saw there is a common factor x. I take out x as the common factor. I'm left with this. And I will look at the other common factor, the other group. And take note, if I take out minus y, I will have 11 minus p. Why is that so? Because if I have negative y times 11, it does give me back my negative 11y. Negative y times negative p, it does give me back my positive py. That's why it is a negative. And finally, I saw that there is a common factor, 11 minus p, which is the same bracket. I will take that out as a common factor. And I'm left with x minus y. And that will be the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are required to factorize the following. I see there's a common factor. 2. I'm going to take out 2 as the common factor. And I'm left with 9u square minus 25v square. And so the 2 will always be outside. And at this point, right, for this bracket, I am going to make use of a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, to help me. Okay? So for this, I could actually rewrite 9u square as 3u square. 25v square is 5 times 5, v times v, so is this. And therefore, I can apply my special product. My a will be 3u. One is plus, one is minus. My b will be 5v. With that, we have successfully factorized this expression. As we move on to the next question.